Cooking on a Kamado. This is my Weber Summit Kamado, and this is how I set up for long cook. Now today I'm running what is called the minion method. Now I didn't make it up, I just saw it and I love using it, so I'm going to share it with you guys. Now if you want to see more barbecue tips and tricks, make sure you're following this page. I have quite a few playlists that feature using this method to cook all over my page. So make sure you check out the playlists above. Today we're working with the B&B lump charcoal and some mesquite wood chunks. The minion method works by starting a small fire in one section of your coal bed and using the airflow to manage how slow or how fast that fire moves through your charcoal. Now this setup that I have in here can run probably about 14 to 16 hours without needing to reload or having to put those coals together again. So now that we got our fire ready, I'm going to put my heat deflector in. There it's on. And now you shut it down with the vents wide open, top and bottom, and you give it a few minutes and let it come up to temp. Peace out.